Mysteries of the Hebrew alphabet. Why does the letter bet sometimes sound like the letter V? Normally the letter bet sounds like the letter B. Let's look at some examples in common Hebrew words. Ben, Binyamin, Bar mitzvah, Bat mitzvah, Aleph bet, Beit Lehem. There are 2 rules that will help you know when to pronounce the bet like a vet. See if you can figure out the first rule by noticing a pattern in the following Hebrew words. Av, Lev, Kalev, Yaakov, Moav, Nigev, Dov, Tsav. You probably noticed that when a Hebrew word ends with the letter bet, it sounds like the English letter V. Rule number 1. Hebrew words ending with the letter bet will sound like a vet or V sound. See if you can spot the second rule for the letter vet by looking at the following Hebrew words. Avraham, Avigail, Rivka, Kavod, Ivrit, Lavan, Lavanan, Lavana. Rule number 2. When the letter bet is at the end of a syllable, it sounds like a vet or the letter V. So let's look at these words again. Avraham, Avigail, Rivka, Kavod, Ivrit, Lavan, Lavanan, Lavana. Shabbat, Shabbat. The common Hebrew word, Shabbat, is an exception. It follows a more complicated grammatical rule. But in the meantime, Shabbat Shalom.